Gippa. Today we are learning the new word rippa. Now this fantastic word can mean splendid or excellent, and it is often used to describe someone who has admirable qualities. You might say, wow, that person is really rippa. It can also refer to things that are impressive, like a beautiful building or a grand achievement. But wait, there's more. Rippa can mean noble or respectable too, especially when we want to lift someone's moral spirit. So, if someone does something great, you can call them rippa. Just remember, in Japan, compliments go a long way, and using rippa will surely bring a smile. Now, repeat after me. Gippa. 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 A person is complimenting their friend for doing a great job at work, so they say, 友達が仕事で立派な成果を出したので、私は称賛しました。Which means, my friend achieved splendid results at work, so I praised them. 友達が仕事で立派な成果を出したので、私は称賛しました。友達が仕事で立派な成果を出したので、私は称賛しました。While visiting a grand museum, someone comments on the beautiful architecture, saying, この博物館は立派な建物ですね。Which means, this museum is a splendid building, isn't it? この博物館は立派な建物ですね。この博物館は立派な建物ですね。During a conversation about a friend's honesty and kindness, someone mentions that their friend is a great person, saying, 彼はとても立派な人です。Which means, he is a very respectable person. 彼はとても立派な人です。彼はとても立派な人です。When honoring a teacher for their years of dedication and hard work, a student expresses admiration by stating, 先生は立派な業績を残しました。Which means, the teacher has achieved noble accomplishments. 先生は立派な業績を残しました。先生は立派な業績を残しました。Now let's dive into the kanjis. The first kanji, ritsu, means stand or establish. It's a versatile kanji, often present in situations involving position or foundation. For example, tatsu means to stand, a fundamental action of being upright, while kokuritsu refers to national, often used in national institutions like a national park or university. Then we have tachiba, describing one's position or standpoint, particularly in discussions or arguments. The second kanji, ha in bippa, is associated with group or faction, indicating an affiliation or distinctive nature. A common use is hade, meaning flashy or showy, something that stands out in a group. In media, a tokuhain is a correspondent, a specific type of reporter belonging to a distinct group of media personnel, while ryuha indicates a school of thought, often used in martial arts or philosophies to denote different branches within a group. Finally, let's practice the word rippa with some questions. Can you make a sentence describing a splendid rippa leader? Think about a person you admire as a leader. 彼は立派なリーダーです。He is a splendid leader. 彼は立派なリーダーです。彼は立派なリーダーです。 Can you express your desire to build a splendid, rippa house? Yeah? Imagine the house of your dreams. 立派な家を建てたいです。I want to build a splendid house. 立派な家を建てたいです。立派な家を建てたいです。Can you create a sentence about someone having splendid 立派 achievements? 業績. Think about what accomplishments deserve praise. 彼女の立派な業績が称賛されています。Her splendid achievements are being praised. 彼女の立派な業績が称賛されています。彼女の立派な業績が称賛されています。Can you suggest walking with a splendid 立派 posture, 姿勢? Consider how posture affects our presence. 立派な姿勢で歩きましょう。Let's walk with a splendid posture. 立派な姿勢で歩きましょう。立派な姿勢で歩きましょう。Alright, my wonderful learners. That's all for today. Remember to use 立派 when someone does something impressive or is deserving of respect. And leave a 立派 like on this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun lessons. And until next time, keep it 立派 and peace out.